A landmark legal ruling challenges Trump's immigration crackdown. In a significant judicial decision, a federal judge has struck down President Donald Trump's executive order aimed at prohibiting migrants from seeking asylum in the United States. This ruling presents a setback for Trump as he continues to implement his stringent immigration policies. U.S. District Judge Randolph Daniel Moss, who was appointed by former President Barack Obama, declared that the executive order issued on January 20th, which aimed to block all migrants perceived as participating in what the administration calls an invasion along the southern border from applying for asylum or requesting protection against deportation, exceeds the powers granted to him. This stance supports the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, which had filed the lawsuit on behalf of several migrant advocacy groups and 13 individuals seeking asylum earlier this year. According to Judge Moss, the president does not have the constitutional authority to override existing federal laws on immigration and deportation. In his detailed 128-page opinion, Moss emphasized that to allow the executive order to stand would mean making much, if not all, of the Immigration and Nationality Act, INA, practically irrelevant. Moss also granted a 2-week pause on the ruling to give the Trump administration time to challenge the decision in a higher court. Moreover, the judge approved the plaintiff's request to create a class of migrants who would be directly affected by the executive order, enabling the case to move forward under the specific limitations established by the Supreme Court in its recent ruling in Trump v. Casa. But here's where it gets controversial. Moss stated unequivocally that neither the Constitution nor the INA provides Trump with the extensive authority claimed in his proclamation. To challenge this, the White House must now navigate through the intricacies of legal appeals and potentially return to the Supreme Court for further clarity. By contrast, Trump's advisor Stephen Miller vehemently criticized the ruling, describing Judge Moss as a Marxist and arguing that such a judgment unfairly categorizes migrants as a protected global class. And this is the part most people miss. This ongoing debate underscores the complexities and tensions surrounding immigration policy and the balance of power between branches of government. What do you think? Is the judiciary overstepping its bounds? Or is this a necessary check on executive authority? Share your thoughts in the comments below.